Hello everyone, welcome back. Tasks for today's video are: how Java works, what is a compiler, and what is a syntax. Well, let's know what is Java. Well, Java is a programming language made for developing Android application. Every programming language has its own syntax. Let's know what is a syntax. Well, a syntax are some rule structures or order of instructions given to a program or a computer in a specific way. Every coding language has its own different syntax. Let's take a look at practical examples. In Java, we have this syntax, class and file name. Here, class means a file container and file name is very important, same as your file name. Inside that class, you have public static void main. Here, public means that this is accessible by a terminal when we run our code on terminal. Here, void means that it returns nothing. The main function here is very important. Without it, your compiler is going to give you an error. And strings and arguments are the areas we'll discuss in future videos. Until then, practice the syntax. Let's know compiler. Well, compiler works as a translator between human language and computer language, which is binary language. Let's say that you're thinking of a program and you have no way to communicate with the program or binary language. Here comes the translator, our compiler, which converts our code into bytecode. We'll discuss it later in much detail. Thank you for watching. Search us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And we're always available for you guys. Thank you.